According to an article written by the National Geographic, there are roughly 5 trillion pieces of trash in our oceans. This issue is primarily due to littering, which occurs when someone does not properly dispose of their trash. Littering is a big issue that our planet has been dealing with and will continue to if we don't put an end to it. Some of the more common forms of litter include cigarette butts, plastic containers, plastic wrappers, and glass bottles. This major problem not only affects the environment we live in, but also impacts our wildlife.
As mentioned already, littering negatively impacts the environment that we live in. When trash is not properly disposed, it often ends up in places like rivers, lakes, oceans, and forests. When this happens, there is a high chance that the area the trash ends up in becomes polluted. This can affect things such as the water that we drink and the soil that we use for cropping. In addition, many animals live in habitats where litter is thrown and their lives become at risk too.
Littering has done lots of harm on wildlife. Oftentimes, many aquatic animals will find themselves tangled in plastic debris that is floating in the ocean. Unfortunately, a large amount of them end up drowning because they become too entangled in it. In addition, many animals, including aquatic and non-aquatic ones, will mistake litter as food. This mistake has caused many animals to choke on small pieces of trash, such as bottle caps, plastic straws, and tiny pieces of glass. In fact, more and more species have been at danger for going extinct.
Because littering is such a massive problem in our world, we encourage everyone to avoid littering at all costs. There is no reason anyone should participate in such a harmful act. Some ways to help litter prevention would be to participate in community cleanup days, educate others on the harm it does, and make sure you recycle all your trash properly.
Thank you for listening, and please join us in spreading this awareness to help save the environment.